back-to-back victories at home. It's a great start for the season.
No one was close to RCB. That is what I feel from my side.
It's 3-0 right now. It really feels pleasure. It feels like the flavor of dominance is there in the field right now.
Tonight's game wasn't just a win for RCB. It was a statement given to the big teams.
We've done it in 2024, 2025, 2026. It's 3 in a row at the Chinnaswamy as well.
Couldn't have been better moments to have right here in Chinnaswamy for us to celebrate.
We defended 251, so many more runs victory to go.
Feels so good. RCB is defeating CSK so easily now since 2024, so it's like a great feeling.
Solid show with the bat. What do you make of the way RCB played the first innings?
Our batting was really dominant. Look at everyone. Everyone has their strike rate above 150.
The way they started, the wicket was not so easy in the beginning,
It's not one player or one star for a team. So last match it was Kohli, this match it was Phil Salt.
The big credit goes to Rajat Patidar. I think David has got the runs, but the way Rajat Patidar pasted his innings.
Patidar, to be frank, captain leading from the front.
I think Rajat and Dev have been brilliant, and they are the ones the reason why RCB is at 250 today.
Finishing by Tim David and Patidar was unbelievable.
When we saw the no ball on the ball when he got bought, the stadium erupted. Must have been 150 decibels.
The way we started 50 runs of the power play, I felt we will probably get around 200. But the monster innings by Tim, 70 of 25 balls, that was crazy.
I mean, 106 meters sixes. That was a really good match to watch.
Whose bowling would you want to highlight? Let's talk about our bowling.
Yeah, totally. RCB's bowling is top notch today, and even Jacob Duffy up front, he got the wickets, and even Kunal Pandya bowling those bouncers.
Krunal anto mind blowing, extraordinary. ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಏನ್ ಬೌನ್ಸರ್ ಹೊಡಿತಾರೆ ಗುರು.
3 wickets that went in a very short period of time. That was like insane. Like my mind was blown and I was like, oh my god.
Look at the consistency in bowling. In power play, we're dominating 3 to 4 wickets every power play.
Jacob Duffy has been bowling crazy this past 2 matches. His economy rate is amazing. Not only the bowling but also the fielding has been top notch this game.
Jitesh Sharma's catch. I think that and the one that Rajat Patidar took at mid-off was solid. Our fielding standards have been absolutely top notch throughout this season.